The H1B Guy here. And today, the H1B Guy news for the week ending November 3rd, 2023. Today, I'll cover Biden's executive order on AI's impact and H4 EAD lawsuit finally over. But before we get started, I'd like to ask you, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube and like this video so that I can continue to produce more content like this for you. I also wanted to mention that H1B Guy offers a variety of consulting services. I help businesses and individuals solve complex work authorization issues and the recruitment process while bringing awareness to employment based immigration benefits. If I can help you, please reach out. I'd love to hear how. And you can book an appointment directly with me via the h1bguy.com. Today's news is brought to you by Syndesis and Path to Canada, the ideal plan B for high skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain, by PERM-Ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process, and by Mob Squad. Are you a technology professional facing U.S. work visa related challenges? Don't leave your fate up to chance. Our partner Mob Squad has a solution. Join the squad. Now, the news. Well, on October 30th, 2023, the White House, in an executive order on safe, secure, and trustworthy development and use of artificial intelligence from President Biden, put out a large announcement. Here's what stood out to me most. Quote, within 180 days of the date of this order, the Secretary of State shall consider initiating a rulemaking to expand the categories of non-immigrants who qualify for domestic visa renewal program, including academic J1 research scholars and F1 students in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Established to the extent permitted by law and available appropriations, a program to identify and attract top talent in AI and other critical and emerging technologies at universities, research institutions, and the private sector overseas, and to establish and increase connections with the talent to educate them on opportunities and resources for research and employment in the United States, including overseas educational components to inform top STEM talent of non-immigrant and immigrant visa options and potential expedited adjudication of their petitions and applications. Within 180 days of this order, the Secretary of Homeland Security shall review and initiate any policy changes the Secretary determines necessary and appropriate to clarify and modernize immigration pathways for experts in AI and other critical and emerging technologies, including O1A and EB1 non citizens of extraordinary ability, EB2 advanced degree holders and non citizens of exceptional ability, and startup founders in AI and other critical and emerging technologies using the international entrepreneur role. Continue its rulemaking process to modernize the H1B program and enhance its integrity and usage, including by experts in AI and other critical and emerging technologies, and consider initiating a rulemaking to enhance the process for non citizens, including experts in AI and other critical and emerging technologies, and their spouses, dependents, and children to adjust their status to lawful permanent resident. So, really, a lot to unpack here. The executive order, in and of itself, was extremely lengthy, but I think these were the two things that really stood out to me most. Expanding immigration policies to include academic J1 research scholars and F1 students in STEM fields is crucial in attracting foreign talent to the U.S. These individuals contribute significantly to our academic institutions and innovation hubs, making a substantial impact on our economy and technology advancements. By initiating new rulemaking to encompass these categories in the domestic visa renewal program, we can provide an easier path for them to continue their contributions here in the U.S. Establishing a program aimed at attracting top talent in AI and other emerging technologies is definitely a forward thinking approach here. This initiative not only ensures that the US remains at the forefront of global innovation, but also fosters more international collaboration. By identifying and connecting with more highly skilled individuals, we can create opportunities for them to work in research in the US, sharing critical knowledge and expertise that will undoubtedly benefit the US. The program not only helps educate top STEM talent about visa options and opportunities in the US, but also helps to expedite the visa application process. It's a win win scenario as it not only enriches our academic research environments, but also strengthens our global leadership in critical and emerging technologies. Embracing a more inclusive immigration policy and attracting top global talent is key to maintaining a competitive edge and ensuring that the US remains a hub for technology innovation and progress. The directive to review and update immigration pathways for experts in AI and other critical technologies is a significant step towards attracting highly skilled individuals to the US. It recognizes the importance of retaining highly skilled individuals who are essential in maintaining our global status as a technology leader. By modernizing pathways such as O1A and EB1 visas, the government very clearly is signaling its commitment. Additionally, the ongoing effort to enhance the H1B visa program and extend its usage to experts in AI and emerging technologies is also a testament to the significance of these fields in our current economy. This rulemaking process will not only improve the program's integrity, but also ensure that we can continue to attract top tier talent from around the world to contribute to our innovation and research. The consideration of this rulemaking process to enable experts in AI and other critical technologies, as well as their families, to adjust their status to lawful permanent residence is a welcomed proposition. It demonstrates the recognition that these highly skilled individuals play a pivotal role in shaping the future of the US. While I haven't had a lot of positive remarks as it relates to the Biden administration's policy towards employment based immigration, these measures very clearly represent a more pro immigration approach and standpoint that seeks to position the US as a global leader and create an environment that fosters the growth of these crucial fields while maintaining a more inclusive and welcoming stance towards top international talent. On November 1st, 2023, in a post on TechGig from Gaurav Sharma titled, Supreme Court Refuses to Hear H4 Visa Plea of H1B Spouses. Quote, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled not to hear a case challenging a work authorization program that gave H1B visa holder spouses work authorization. The policy allows dependent spouses of H-1B visa holders to apply for lawful permanent residence based on their employment in order to find employment in the United States. As of March 20th, 2023, federal judge Tanya Chutkan agreed that the Department of Homeland Security that no new workers would be impacted by this rule. The judge also mentioned that only a very small fraction, less than 0.12% of U.S. workers are the spouses of H-1B visa holders who can work in the country, so the impact is very small. The judge also noted that Congress gave the Department of Homeland Security the authority to set rules and time limits for visa holder stays in the United States, including possible options for their spouses to stay with them. I've been covering this lawsuit for what feels like forever, but finally we now have reached a conclusion as the Supreme Court has denied the hearing of the case. Really mind blowing to see that this lawsuit was targeting less than 0.12% of the US workforce. As I've discussed many times over, I'm in favor of the H4 EAD, and I really would like to see us here in the US offer H4 EAD eligibility from day one, very similar to the L2 EAD. 90% of H4 EADs are women, and it's nice to see a common sense rule that provides gender equality upheld by the Supreme Court. For the full post on the H1B Guy news for the week ending November 3rd, 2023, please check out the H1BGuy.com. And a reminder that today's news was brought to you by Syndesus and Path to Canada, the ideal plan B for high skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain. If you're facing an H1B denial or OPT expiration, don't get caught off guard. Make sure you have a plan B, and Syndesus and Path to Canada are your answers. They'll gladly help you navigate the process. If you'd like to find out if you qualify, please be sure to use the link in the video description below, and someone from Syndesus or Path to Canada will be in touch. By PERM-Ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process. If you're looking to reduce your costs and overhead associated with PERM labor certification recruitment advertising, let PERM-Ads.com help you. And by Mob Squad. Are you a technology professional facing U.S. work visa related challenges? Don't leave your fate up to chance. Our partner Mob Squad has a solution. Mob Squad helps technology professionals facing U.S. work visa related uncertainty remain working with your current U.S. employer nearshore from Canada, as well as technology professionals from around the world who are seeking to find a rewarding opportunity in North America. Through their partnership with the Canadian government, they can obtain a Canadian work permit for you and your spouse in as little as 4 to 6 weeks. So, whether you're looking to stay working with your current U.S. company or you want to find a new opportunity in Canada, please find out how the team at Mob Squad can help you via the link in the video description below. Join the squad. Just wanted to ask you again to please like this video, subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube, and click the bell for notifications so that you're notified anytime we post new content here to this channel. If you've made it this far, I just want to say thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I really appreciate your support. The H1B Guy, your global source for all things H1B.